Hello, welcome to NAS. I'm Angel, and I've been part of this dynamic team for 6 years. I work in the FinOps team where we oversee vendor management and payments, handling everything from onboarding to payment processing. We work together seamlessly, creating a supportive work environment to tackle challenges. It's been a rewarding journey, collaborating with my colleagues in to ensure smooth operations. I love being an ONASA because of the vibrant company culture, shared values, and a strong camaraderie with colleagues. It's a perfect blend between an inspiring work environment and meaningful connections with like-minded individuals. So the first step is onboarding the vendors. So when we onboard the vendors, we have to verify their documents, their company documents like the trade license, their bank documents. So once it's verified, it is sent for internal approval. And once the vendor registration is completed, we can then proceed for the PO raising. So PO is purchase order, and purchase order is always raised on the basis of the quotation received from the vendors. And quotation is received prior to the service render. So after the PO is raised and approved in the system, and once the service is rendered, we receive the final invoice from the vendor. And once we receive the final invoice, that's also sent for further approval because the invoice has to comply. If it is, for example, a tax invoice, it has to comply for according to the tax regulations. And once the invoice is approved, we send it for final payment, and it is paid as per the payment terms agreed with the vendors. So I love being a part of the finance team because of the strong camaraderie we share with everyone. One of the best moments I can remember is where we all went for top golf, and it was an amazing time. It brought all of our competitive spirit out. It was nice to see it was nice to see people outside of the work environment and a little like how they are competitive and things like that. When it comes to being an ONASA, I love being an ONASA. I'm proud to be an ONASA because of the strong company values, the vibrant connection we share with everyone, and the like-mindedness with everyone. Welcome to NAS, and we're excited to have you on board.